8 Lessons from Decisive: How to Make Better Decisions by Chip Heath. Lesson 1. Understand the impact of biases and heuristics. Decisive explores the biases and heuristics that can cloud our decision-making process. By understanding these cognitive tendencies, we can become more aware of their influence and make more informed choices. Lesson 2. Expand your options. Instead of limiting yourself to a binary choice, consider multiple options simultaneously. This approach helps to avoid the trap of narrow framing and opens up new possibilities. Lesson 3. Seek out diverse perspectives. Gaining different perspectives can enhance decision-making. Decisive encourages seeking input from a variety of sources to challenge assumptions and broaden our understanding of the situation. Lesson 4. Test your assumptions. Confirmation bias can lead us to seek out information that supports our preconceived notions. To counteract this, Decisive suggests actively testing our assumptions and seeking evidence that challenges our beliefs. Lesson 5. Consider the long-term consequences. Short-term emotions can cloud our judgment and lead to impulsive decisions. The book emphasizes the importance of considering the long-term consequences of our choices to make more thoughtful and strategic decisions. Lesson 6. Create tripwires. To overcome the inertia of decision-making, Decisive suggests setting tripwires. These are predetermined indicators that signal when it's time to take action or reassess a decision. Lesson 7. Set deadlines. Setting deadlines can help prevent decision paralysis and create a sense of urgency. Decisive highlights the effectiveness of deadlines in pushing us to make choices and take action. Lesson 8. Learn from past experiences. Reflecting on past decisions and their outcomes can provide valuable insights. Decisive encourages learning from both successes and failures to improve future decision-making. Please like and subscribe to our channel Ideas to Inspire for more inspirational content. Thank you.